Look, there's no time for ignorance in a world of unlimited data access. We're past due to acknowledge the elephant in the room, or should I say the would-be dictator strolling toward the Oval Office. Folks, since our next president has already confirmed that he will be a dictator from day one, this video will provide ideas on how to prepare for the unknown. Remember that a few of these items have already been initiated. Listen to and hear his warnings.
Protecting your data is no longer a suggestion, it's a necessity. Think of it as flossing for your identity.
Remember, apathy is a dictator's best friend. Engage in democracy like your rights depend on it, because they do.
Not all information is created equal. Be critical of your sources, because even your crazy uncle's Facebook feed can be wrong.
Chapter 4. Find your tribe, fight for your rights. Building a community isn't just about sharing cat videos. It's about collective action and shared values.
Chapter 5. Free speech more than just words. Free speech is like a muscle. You've got to use it or it atrophies. Speak up even when your voice shakes.
Chapter 6. Equality. It's not a zero-sum game. Fighting for equality benefits everyone, unless you enjoy living in a world built on a foundation of injustice.
Chapter 7. Independent media. Truth's bodyguard. Independent media is the canary in the coal mine of democracy. Support it or risk suffocating in a cloud of propaganda.
Chapter 8. Education, the antidote to tyranny. Education is the vaccine against misinformation. Invest in it because ignorance is a breeding ground for authoritarianism. Chapter 9. The rule of law, our fragile shield. The rule of law is like a house of cards. Remove one and the whole thing collapses. Protect it fiercely.
Chapter 10. Transparency. Shine a light on the shadows. Demand transparency from those in power. After all, sunlight is the best disinfectant, especially for shady dealings.
Chapter 11. Human rights, non-negotiable and universal. Human rights aren't a buffet where you get to pick and choose. They're a basic package deal for all of humanity.
Chapter 12. Peace. It's not just the absence of war. Peace isn't just about laying down arms, it's about building bridges, fostering understanding, and rejecting violence. Chapter 13. Global cooperation. We're all in this together. We're facing global challenges that require global solutions. Isolationism isn't a lifeboat, it's an anchor. Chapter 14. Environmental protection. Our collective responsibility. Protecting the environment isn't just about saving the planet, it's about saving ourselves. There's no planet B. Chapter 15. Innovation, the engine of progress. Don't let fear stifle innovation. Encourage creativity, critical thinking, and the free flow of ideas. Look, none of this is easy. These are uncertain times, and frankly, it's terrifying. But remember, these are just general considerations. The specific actions you take will depend on your individual circumstances and the evolving situation. It's important to stay informed, be vigilant, and work with others to protect our democratic values, because at the end of the day, the future of our democracy depends on the actions we take today. Stay engaged, stay informed, and most importantly, stay hopeful. We're all in this together. Thank you for watching. Remember, your voice matters. Stay active, stay connected, and let's build a better future together.